Okay, well, I've been spending the last few days hanging a door. I did have help the first day from Katie, and maybe Shammy on the second day, can't remember. Um, I've got the door hanging, and it fills a hole. You can open and shut it, which is a main objective. Sorry, I'm wobbling this. That's a wobble, 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 wibble, wobble. Anyway, um, I'm putting on what posh people call, like builders and stuff, call the door furniture. Oops, I made a bit of a mess, but there we go. Hang on, I'll unplug this and put it there with me. Oh, I smell so bad. This door hanging is not good. Oh, I did the curtains as well. Look, curtains, we have curtains. I don't know if you can see them. Oops. Whoa, curtains, yeah. So, yeah, I did curtains as well. I'm very pleased with that. All right, okay, now, let's see. That's the side of the door. I marked it the side of the door on somebody's advice with pink. Well, the edge of the door, whatever. And I marked it with chalk because somebody online said that if you mark it, then you can find out which bit's touching by shutting the door and simply, whatever, seeing where the marks are left. But you look at this, it's not quite even here. Don't know which is the best way to see this from. How about if I go like that? A bit of a, not very good, very hard to colour in. This is door furniture I'm currently working on. Oh my god, my floor, I tell you what, I've done my bedroom, I've trashed, my kitchen, I've trashed, my passageway, I've trashed. It's just, I do it upside down. You know, you film with a laptop is not easy. See all the mess everywhere. La di da di da, di da di da di da. A cardboard box is in here. Don't know how that turned out. I never filmed upside down before. Never done filming before, really. So yeah, now the final bit was not to do with when you fit the door handle. See how that goes. Mm, door handle here, okay? Never, ever, ever attempt to do this if you've got a degree in maths, because the maths doesn't add up. Oh, well, it should do, really. See what I did? We have these funny things here. Just stick off the end of the drills. Here's one I already had, which I didn't know I had. And here's one I bought, okay? So the one I had is, where's the bloody camera gone there? 20, and the one I bought is 25. Well, see in here, we've got this long bit inside that goes along there. And I was supposed to get a drill bit thing, I don't know, drill end thing, drill a hole through here. There was supposed to be about slightly over the width of the bit inside. Width, yeah. But instead, I got one slightly over the height. I got it too big, so I started drilling, and dun dun dun. That is what I did. Can you see that? Wait, and it's like, oh my god, I can't put the lock in there anymore. And like that solid wood, I think. And this rest of it is bloody hollow. Hollow, we'd have hollow doors. Why do they do that? They do it to make life difficult for mathematicians. Anyway, so that was wrong. Well, I started doing it up here and I found out that this is hollow. I thought, probably blessing in disguise, put it higher up so the dog can't reach and open it. That's going to be bloody clever. Mush, Mush, where are you? Mush, here, this bloody clever dog. Here she is. Hang on, hang on. Ah, here's Mush, clever Mush. Yeah, she's barking at everything. So she hasn't helped my concentration, but she's going to be very cleverly jumping up and trying to open the door. Has got a door handle on now, so she can't demonstrate. Could the other side, but that's too much messing. Oh, Mush farted. Poor, well, it smelled bad enough anyway. Okay, so that's that. Look, it turns anyway, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And very cleverly slammed the door and risked locking myself in because I did it. And yeah, look, looky. Look, that's because I thought I need to take off on the bottom. Shut, look, it's shut. Shut. I wanted it open again. Anyway, so now what I've got to do is put in 2 more screws. There, one there. The other bit on the side. 4 screws. And then there's a bit of marker here, so you can see a couple of bits. Two lines at the top of the last 20 bits. Underneath pile of sawdust somewhere. See, look, there's on the door frame. Weep. Those sticking. Yeah, well, anyway, that's how not to do doors. But I know how to do it next time, maybe. I don't think it was going to be next time. I don't think I need to hang any doors. So it's just a wasted skill. Unless somebody wants me to hang one for them. And if they see this one, they might not want me to. Oh well, doodles. Bye. Bye from Mush too. Woof.